Go!
Good morning, you all here today. It really feels amazing. So a big welcome to you all.
Goedemorgen Utrecht. What I'm going to be talking about today is the idea of building instruments that you can trust. And so that your instrument should be able to provide, hopefully, enough information for you to make good decisions based on your training on how to run your business. A number on its own is no good without context. Thank you very much. Enjoy the conference and see you around.